Okay, so our next job is to install the rest of this floating tremolo system. So I've got a spring claw here, and the spring claw sits, well, it doesn't sit hard against the body. It depends how tight the screws are, the two screws that are holding that in place. And then a spring is installed like so, and that sits into the tremolo block like so. And depending on the interplay between the springs and the tension of the strings depends on how much of a tremolo action you get. The other thing we need to do also is solder this ground wire to the trem claw just in the center, but we'll do that next. We'll get this installed first. So the easiest way to do this is measure halfway across the cavity. You see I've just got a small dot there, and line that up with the center of the tremolo claw, and then just mark those holes. Those holes are a little bigger, so I'm just going to mark those with a pen. I like to have them coming into the middle three like so, but really that's it's up to you. And for now, just tighten that up again. We'll fine tune this when we get around to doing the actual setup. Okay, so next we need to connect this ground wire to the spring claw, and that will ground out our circuit. With your tremolo cover, just the same thing again. I've just aligned center from the center of the neck plate and the strap button. Tape that in place. I'm just going around and marking the location of my pilot holes. Okay, so now we've got our electronic